So today I'm going to be making some homemade hairspray. I don't think I've bought hairspray in quite a few years, and I keep reusing the same recipe over and over again. And what I like about this hairspray is that it doesn't build up, it doesn't leave your hair really sticky, and because I only wash my hair once a week, I find that it doesn't build up like normal hairspray, which is great. So let me share this recipe with you.
So what you're going to need to start with is a cup of either distilled water or cooled boiled water, 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt, 1 tablespoon of cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of either a spiced rum or a vodka, 10 drops of lavender oil, 10 drops of lemon oil, 10 drops of sage oil, 5 drops of rosemary oil. Now you're going to stir all that up and you're going to put it into a spray bottle. I put in as much as I can into the spray bottle. If you have a bigger spray bottle, that's great. You can put all of it in. Otherwise, I put the remainder into an amber bottle. Then I just store it away, and when I need more, then I just refill my bottle.
And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, or any of my how-to videos, you might also want to check out those ones as well. Until next time, bye-bye for now.